IQ and EQ for dream life. IQ is intelligent quotient and EQ is emotional quotient. Both are actually very important in our life. IQ is important and more than EQ is very important in our life. Most of the people used to know IQ. That is, IQ is nothing but intelligent quotient. It is related to the intelligence of a person. But the new concept EQ, it is nothing but emotional quotient based on the emotion. It's a new concept. Some people know how to deal with others peacefully, whereas most of the people find this as very challenging and very hard. So most of the cases, this is because of the very low EQ. That's the emotional component is very poor. But don't worry, the good thing is it is possible to improve one's emotional quotient at any time. Sometimes people make mistakes. However, it is good to be tactful while pointing out others' mistakes also. It is important to speak no ill of anyone. So here the emotions are playing a very major role. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. A smart person can achieve a lot on his or her own life. A person with high EQ know how to interact with others and get many people to work well with him or her, reaching big goals faster in their life. They used to getting along with others. To achieve huge goals, very often we need the help of others, even attaining our financial goal. In manifesting dream life, one has to have good emotional quotient because the emotions are the key thing. A person may have high IQ, but he or she don't have enough EQ, he or she will fail miserably. Now, people understood that for any intentions, it may be relationship goal or financial goal or money goal, whatever it is, emotions are act as tool to achieve those intended magic life. So the take home message is combining both good IQ and good EQ makes one a super powerful person who can achieve dream life. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscription button. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.